Yeah, hello everybody. You might recognize that PH2 number. That's the classic Ford V8 oil filter. These are the Rock Auto Special Auto Extras, made in the USA. These are like $1 a piece. Had good luck with them. But I discovered these are made by Wix, and the fact that they're the exact same filter as these filters. So, like the NAPA Gold 1372, this is the exact same filter as this Auto Extra, inside and out. So, save yourself some money if you can find one of these. That's what you're getting. So let's take a look at the filter. Here we have the base plate, 6 inlet holes, rubber gasket. This thing weighs an absolute ton. Looks like we got 4 threads. And I mean, this thing's heavy. This is as heavy as some small car oil filters right there. So let's look at the neat part. The anti-drain back valve and the bypass valve is one piece. Check that out. It's very different than the Ford. The Ford has a spring-loaded one. This is a big silicone gasket. And the colors vary depending on what brand you buy, but they're all the same design. They're all apparently made by Wix, but I'm not quite sure how that works. As a bypass valve, but that's what she does. But what you're really wondering is, what does the filter media look like? And it's pretty nice. Looks like paper. That little tear right there is from me opening it. There's a little bit of the white paint. But good looking filter. Strange bypass valve, but I mean, for $1 I would not complain. Heavy duty can with a nice coil spring. So there you go. The Auto Extra Rock Auto. And you could do worse. Alright. Thanks for watching and have a good day.